Welcome back. In this video, I'm preparing PowerShell automation, how you can do automate anything for administration in cloud like Azure or like AWS. You can do in GCP, anything you can do that, any automation with using PowerShell. In this videos, I'm preparing like a series. Okay, you can learn from A to Z. It means beginner to advanced level. I am doing that. Here the course content you can see that I'm teaching online classes as well. But in this videos, this is more than enough. Complete videos I'm trying to place in my channel. Go through that. Okay. Uh, I'm creating how to do scripting. Means like creating a script file, output statement, input statement, static variables, all those things we are going to discuss one by one. First, today's agenda is like how to find out where we can write a script with using which tool. First of all, you need to know, right, how to prepare a script, where you have to do that. For to write a script, to execute a script, we have a tool called PowerShell. Okay, just you can type here. This is the thing. Okay, here you can execute directly. Suppose I want to get some command, get host, which version? 5.1 version. 5.1 is the latest. I can say that if you have this you can do, otherwise you can download it and you can verify whether which version you are using. Almost all laptops having 5.1 version only. Okay, this is the thing. Now I want to execute some command, get. Okay, see functions you have, commandlets we have, lot of things. Okay, see here you can see Google Cloud related. Here like this you can able to SQL server, SQL for you want to automate some SQL server products. Okay, you want to take a backup, you want to schedule any store procedure, anything. Okay, you want to delete a file in your folder. Yes, you can do that. Everything we are going to see one by one. Okay, how many commands you need to identify? Count. Okay, like this we have 1700 something. Okay, like this if you want to do any like Azure, you want to import Azure modules. Suppose you want to work on GCP, you want to download GCP, you have to update that. Okay, like this. For example, I want to identify what are the services are running. Okay, see, lot of services are running. Okay, some services are running, some services are stopped. I want to get it, what are the services are running. Yeah, you can do that. You can customize whatever you want. For example, I want to verify what are the services are running. Okay, in this case, get service. Okay, pipe symbol, pipe is input and output. I will tell you later. This is the first class. Okay, where object. Okay, which one you need to do that. You want to verify stopped or running, right? That header you need to mention here. Which is the header? You have to verify status. Okay, status, you can go with that. Status equal to running. See, all running you are getting, only running services you are getting. Like this we have to work out on that. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. You will get a lot of updates. You can learn PowerShell from scratch to advanced level. Thank you.